Here's
Oh
some
my gosh,
water
this is so
for you
exciting.
too.
Thank you. With the famous bow.
With the famous bow.
With the famous bow. Okay, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. I haven't seen it. I mean, I just wrapped it up and I took a peek, but I didn't like fully experience it. So please.
It is indeed a beautiful bow. And I happen to be leaving on my trip tomorrow. Yes.
You're going to
Florida.
Florida, yes.
Destination wedding. Shout out to my cousins. Be there tomorrow, guys. Oh my god, wait.
It's perfect. I love it.
It is like, it has exceeded my expectations.
And when I tell
gotta be
you,
honest.
we were just looking at it back there, and the bottom of it, they were like, why does it feel just like nicer?
Look at this. I'm in love with it. This is awesome.
You don't have
But
to
I think you
don't
can
have to
also
worry
do
about
it, you can wear it either side, right? Like so this part this way. That way.
Oh my god. I love it!
And actually, kind of funny, it happens to go like with what I'm wearing right now.
Yeah.
Like this is bringing out.
But that's what I love about the colors, that you get a mock-up, right? And it's very digital.
Yes,
This
yes.
is very close to the digital.
Yes, it does.
It's not
well,
like
you're talking to people who are do marketing and
Right,
branding, so
right.
and we do mock-ups all day long for things, and that's true because sometimes a mock-up can look it can have a certain representation,
Yeah, and this is
then in
very,
reality,
very
and not just that, even
different.
product, because I think I told you we sell swag and things, and sometimes, like let's say it's a coffee tumbler, it looks awesome when we get it in person. Sometimes it's not meeting the expectations.
Not as
Other
awesome.
times it's great, but we can do wonders in
It's so
Photoshop,
magical.
right?
It's already just
So question, do we know where this was made?
This was
Does it say? Because I think they can be made in...
This is made in France. Neverfull is mostly made in the US. If you're buying them in the States, they're most likely made in the US. Classic.
The classic Neverfull. Okay. But this one is made in France. Because I believe I saw on the website it can be made in France or Spain or Italy.
Yeah, Spain, Italy, or yeah.
Oh my god, I love it. I'm delighted. Really delighted.